students. In the chapter Organism and Population, in your previous period, you have been studied about the growth rate, how the population is going to be growing by the help of a growth rate. So, sequential steps you have been like a natality, mortality. Natality, that is the birth rate, mortality, that is the death rate, then immigration and immigration, as you have been studied. So today in this class you are going to be learning about the growth models. The different growth models were there according to the different scientists. Most important questions will be there for 5 marks for your final examination, and one neat question definitely will be there on this part. So we will go for study what are these growth models. So growth model are nothing but the rate of increase of growth of an organism in a given geographical area. So growth of an organism is going to be increasing on the basis of certain factors, like a abiotic factor as well as an abiotic factor. You have been studied about abiotic factors like a temperature, light, water, like such. And the biotic factors are specifically like natural resources like food is very essential. So imagine these all, the food, light, water, temperature is limited and unlimited. Two conditions will come. What will happen if it is unlimited, and what happens if it is limited? So two things I am telling you that. In a population, say for example, we will go for taking a type of scorpions. Scorpions ಸಾಕನ ಒಂದು ಬಾಲ್ ಅದ ಸ್ಕಾರ್ಪಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಸಾಕನ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ, ಸರಿಯಾದ ಲೈಟ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ, ಸರಿಯಾದ ಆಹಾರ ಕೊಡೋಣ, ಸರಿಯಾದ ನೀರು ಕೊಡೋಣ. So the number of number of scorpions will increase in number or decrease in number? Increase obviously, because the source is unlimited. If source is limited, then there begins competition, and during that competition only stronger one is going to be survive, the weaker one will become eliminated. So that what we want to study over here. So that is shown through the help of growth model. So growth model are of two types. The one it is an exponential growth model. It is also called as a geometric growth, and the second one is logistic growth. It is also called as a Verhulst-Pearl logistic growth. So two models. So first one we will go for learning about the exponential growth model. It is also called as a geometric growth model. So here the condition, the first condition is implemented. The condition is that the natural resources are unlimited. According to the Darwinian theory, when the resource is unlimited, the population number grows, not stops. It grows. That is going to be denoted by the help of a curve A. This is the curve A. This is the curve. So y-axis and x-axis and y-axis. It is an x-axis which is denoting the time t, and y-axis, that is the population density with the help of capital N. And natural resources like temperature, water, light, food is unlimited. The population will go on grows. It never stops. It never leaves, because resource is unlimited. So that is an important of it. When resource of natural resources are unlimited, the growth curve is called as an exponential growth, also called as a geometrical growth, and its shape is a J shape. And it is denoted by the help of a formula said to be as a small d capital N divided by small t is equals to small b minus small d into capital N. Differentiation of a total number of a population at time t. Differentiation of a total number of organisms, that is the population at the time t is equals to rate of birth and rate of death. So rate of birth minus by rate of death is going to be multiplied to the total number of population present. Right? In that is equals dn divided by dt. So b minus d to be as in a small r. Let b minus d as a small r. So according to that, small d capital N divided by small d capital T small d is equals to small r capital N. So here small r is, as you have been written over here, it is an important formula. This is the formula for exponential growth curve. NEET level ಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, theory ಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Right? NEET level ಗೆ ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ questions ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ NEET level ದಲ್ಲಿ we will go for discussing it later on. But you must know about the formula, that is small d capital N divided by small t is equals to small r capital N. And definite integral based, if you were aware of calculus, you were aware of basically, because of science student, you will be knowing more than me, is that capital N at time t is equals to n naught e